brush your teeth. Morning, evening, keep them neat. Up and down, round and round. Clean your teeth without a sound. Front and back, left and right. Make them sparkle, shiny and bright. Don't forget your tongue today. Brush those germs and wash away. Rinse and spit, what a feat. Now your teeth are clean and sweet. Brush, brush every day. Happy teeth are here to stay.